Do you talk to your family in Tibet?
No, now it's
Not possible. You can't do video call,
sometimes.
but it's not safe.
No safe.
Okay.
Family is no safe because we are no freedom.
थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आता है. आप थोड़ा सा वहाँ देखो.
ये क्या है?
Have some.
It's good.
Do you want to buy this? It's not easy to sell. उनकी एक फोटो ले सकता हूँ क्या मैं? किसी को मिले तो आप ताशदलिक बोलते हो. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ?
Again, we are flaunting the Tibetan yak 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 t-shirt.
यहाँ पे बेस्ट टिबेटन रेस्टोरेंट कौन सा है?
Tibetan restaurant.
You missed the place.
We missed the place and want to go back.
Welcome to another vlog. And right now, we're going to have our lunch. This is still the first day. You must have seen the previous vlog where we saw the market hunt. This is the continuation of that vlog.
दलाई लामा टेम्पल रोड है ये. अच्छा, यहाँ पे है वो टेम्पल. Is it open now?
No.
It's not open.
No.
All the temples are closed or only that one? All of them are closed. Okay.
Okay, bye day.
See you again.
Okay.
Bye bye.
So, I had seen a very interesting Tibetan face on a woman, and this man was talking to that woman, and I had to go to that woman to take a portrait, and that's how we started talking, and he started walking with me. This market is ending here, so let's go in here and have some light lunch. Let's sit down here because the natural light source is here, so we don't want to go too deep. Touch the leg. Is anyone there? Oh, are you the owner here? Okay. आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो, हिंदी बोलते हो? दोनों थोड़ा थोड़ा. ठीक है. Let's have a tea and laughing, because laughing is a light snack. Let me ask them what else is light. मुझे अगर कुछ light खाना होगा तो laughing को छोड़ के is there anything else which is light, very light?
Chili potato, chili mushroom
Is that Tibetan dish?
Tibetan तो नहीं होगा.
I only want to have Tibetan, so I know laughing is very light, right? Anything else that is?
रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं मिलता है, वो तो बाहर में मिलता है.
अच्छा, laughing रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं मिलता है, तो आपके पास नहीं मिलेगा laughing. Oh, okay. So here you don't get laughing in the restaurants. Apparently on the streets you get it because it's a Tibetan street food. We know that. So आपके पास फिर butter tea है?
मिल जाएगा.
एक butter tea दे देंगे. Let's have butter tea because I think laughing is the only dish which is light, because she's not able to recommend something light, and laughing she doesn't have. So we'll have butter tea for lunch. I'm not actually hungry because we had that breakfast which was quite filling. What was the name of the dish? I forgot. You will see it here. So there were 3 big pieces of whatever it's called. So I'm still full from that. And the time right now is about 2:15. I had the breakfast at around 9. Not yet hungry. So let's have our tea, and if we find laughing somewhere, we'll have laughing. Otherwise, this will be the lunch. What is your name? Tenzin. And how old are you? Are you shy? Apparently yes. Thank you. So this is our lunch, the Tibetan butter tea. Oh, let me show you the better way.
यहाँ पे बाहर लाफिंग कहाँ मिलेगा बता सकते हैं?
लाफिंग तो आगे है थोड़ा, और रोमा चौक है ना,
कौन सा चौक?
रोमा चौक।
तोमा चौक। यहाँ से कितना चलना है?
यहाँ से 7-8 मिनट लगेगा।
अच्छा, तो बाहर स्ट्रीट पे ही है?
हाँ जी, रास्ता में मिल जाएगा, 2-3 दुकान है।
2-3 दुकान
रोमा
है।
चौक में भी है सब।
ठीक है. So then we'll continue our lunch. So this is not the only thing we'll have for the lunch because I realized that then the vlog will be too small and there won't be anything. There is something and it is not insignificant, but we need more. So we'll find laughing and we'll have our lunch in 2 parts. Let's wait for this butter tea to cool down a bit. It's very healthy because it has milk, which is good unless you are lactose intolerant. Milk is good. There is butter, which is very calorie dense and healthy fat, so that is good. And it does not have the culprit, the sugar. It has salt instead. So this is a very healthy drink. I can see myself drinking a butter tea every day if I can. So let's have the first part of our lunch. I just saw the table there, so let's sit there. It's more light there. ये आपकी बेटी है? आपकी बेटी है ये बहुत शाय है, बात नहीं करती ज़्यादा. अभी गुस्सा है इसलिए. हाँ. Tenzin, can you show me your smile? She's angry. At least she's not angry with us. Now we'll have the tea. How much for the tea? 30 rupees. Oh, that's very cheap. आप पेटीएम लेते हो? गूगल पे, पेटीएम, समथिंग? Tenzin, are you happy now? Or still angry? Can I click your picture?
और क्या और इसके बाद?
आप लोग का एक पिक्चर ले सकता हूँ मैं साथ में?
हाँ जी, ले लो।
मैं कैश दे देता हूँ. रुक जाओ.
हाँ जी, ले लो।
50 रख लो, 20 इसमें डाल दो.
थैंक यू।
टिप में. Because we have this here.
और क्या और इसके?
चलो, finally she's going to smile. एक मिनट. हाँ. Tenzin, bye bye. Bye bye. Sure. You say sure, right? Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay. Now, let's go and find the laughing to complete our lunch. Taj Talek, can I find laughing here? There? Oh, thank you. Taj Talek, are you selling laughing? Yeah. Give me one plate. Give me half a plate, okay?
No.
But you take money for the full.
Oh, yes, thank you.
I just want to sample it, try it.
Yeah.
Because we're not that hungry right now, but we want to complete the lunch vlog. So we'll have, how many pieces come in a full dish?
Full का, I don't know.
कितना आता है? फुल का कितना आता है?
Round
हाँ
round.
एक राउंड आता है।
Yeah.
अच्छा मेरे को हाफ दो, जो भी फुल आता है उसका हाफ दो। Look at this, we've never seen. So they're going to cut the laughing now. अभी कटेगा। Ah, so this is interesting. So we'll see
Nice, so nice.
how the laughing is made.
You're from?
I came from Bangalore. So this is the sheep.
काकी नहीं चाहिए।
This will make it full, right? Give me half only, okay?
मोमो लेते
Spicy करो, हाँ।
मोमो मोमो
मैं जरा टेस्ट करूँ कितना स्पाइसी है।
मोमो मोमो।
Let's do the spice meter, then we'll decide how much spice we want.
काकी थैंक
6. But we're okay with this. This is okay.
आपका कितना पीस सकना है?
मेरे को ना बस 3 पीस दो।
3 पीस।
आप पैसा फुल का ले लेना, मुझे सिर्फ टेस्ट करना है। और ये क्या चिकन है?
चिकन नहीं,
तो क्या है अंदर?
ये टोफू जैसा है।
अच्छा टोफू है। चिकन लाफिंग नहीं बेचते हो आप?
नहीं।
ओके, सो दिस इज वेज लाफिंग।
ये प्योर वेज।
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग। सो फॉर अ चेंज we'll have a pure veg.
किस you?
Yes, it's my
Don't
Tibetan
try.
dish. I won't forget.
Good taste.
Yeah, it's good. I like chicken or beef more, but this is also good.
Oh,
So if you are a vegetarian,
yes.
you get Tibetan food for vegetarians also. And this is tofu. Let's taste tofu.
Yes.
Interesting. What's your name?
My name is Kinji.
Tenzin. ये किस चीज़ का बनता है येलो?
येलो काला करके ये है आटा आटा
कौन से आटे का बनता है ये?
आटा
मैदे का?
नो मैदा
कॉर्नफ्लावर। कॉर्नफ्लावर।
कॉर्नफ्लावर का ये है एक यहाँ लाभिंग व्हाइट है ये कॉर्नफ्लावर से बना दिया
वाइट कॉर्नफ्लावर से है, तो फिर ये येलो
ये है।
कौन से फ्लावर से है?
येलो येलो ना आटा का है आटा का
लेकिन कौन सा आटा?
आटा व्हाइट आटा
हाँ तो वही उसको मैदा
ये
बोलते
है
हैं।
ये कॉर्नफ्लावर बना दिया
ओके ओके ओके।
Want?
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
More?
आई वुड लव इट बट मेरा पेट बहुत भरा हुआ है।
Yes, yes.
It's really hot now.
Okay. Yeah.
I didn't expect that McLeodganj. I would be sweating in McLeodganj. In the morning I was sweating because I was climbing up from Dharamshala. So that was understandable. But
Yeah.
anyways, winter is the best season to come here. When it snows. यहाँ पे बर्फ गिरती है ना विंटर में।
हाँ,
विंटर में
yeah.
यहाँ पे स्नो होता है।
Yes, no. होता है।
आप यहाँ पे कितने साल से रहते हो?
मैं तो 30 साल से मैं
20 साल
तिब्बत से I from Tibetan.
हाँ, that I know.
Yes.
So you came from Tibet 20 years ago.
20 years.
Okay. तो आपके अभी कुछ रिलेटिव्स वहाँ रहते हैं? अभी भी रहते हैं?
मेरा सिस्टर ब्रदर मेरा फादर
And this guy, is he your brother?
या
Okay. So how do you like it here?
कुछ so nice
Nice?
free we are free
You're free here. Okay. Nice. Do you talk to your family in Tibet?
no now is
Not possible. You can't do video call,
sometime
but it's not safe.
no safe
Okay.
family is no safe because we are no freedom
So they can't come here.
This
It's difficult. Okay.
because we are very difficult
It's difficult.
Yeah.
Okay. So my friend Duk was also telling me that this is a little sensitive subject because they're afraid of the big sea. If they say something bad about them,
then the family members are still living there, so they have to be afraid and they can't talk freely about these issues. You know what I'm talking about. मुझे पता है थोड़ा बहुत
या
क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं टिबेटन, तो मैंने जाना हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत.
अच्छा अच्छा
ये एक प्लेट कितने का आता है?
40
40 का. और मेरा कितना हो गया फिर? 40.
You give me 20.
No, I give you 40.
Okay, thank you. You eat in half.
हाँ, लेकिन आपने तो पूरा बनाया ना.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
मुझे अगर भूख होता ना तो मैं पूरा खा लेता, इतना अच्छा था. लेकिन मैं सुबह भी मैंने खाया हुआ है, तो इतना मैं खा नहीं सकता था अभी.
अच्छा सही.
एक मिनट पकड़ेंगे इसको.
या ओके.
ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
यस
आप ये रख लो.
हाँ थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं आपका एक पिक्चर लूँ?
या
फोन में.
यू.
नो कीप इट
ओह थैंक यू.
फॉर यू. आप मास्क निकाल सकते हैं सिर्फ फोटो के लिए. रख दो उसको नीचे रख दो मास्क. हाँ, मास्क निकाल के रख दो.
या
वहाँ देखो. अभी एक बार कैमरा में, यहाँ पे कैमरा में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
ओके यू वेलकम.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
ओह थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
नाइस टू मीट यू.
ओके नाइस टू मीट यू.
So that is the end. कुछ भूल तो नहीं रहे?
या सॉरी.
I am forgetting.
you.
This is very important.
या
It's a Tibetan T-shirt.
योर चैनल इज नाम.
Ma, let me give you the card so that you can find
Thank
it.
you so much.
I just came here today,
Yeah.
and I'll be staying here till Sunday. So I'll be making videos.
Thank you.
I'll take it. I can't forget this one.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're
Bye bye.
welcome.
Touch
Okay,
the leg.
bye. Touch the leg.
Okay, now that is the end of our Tibetan lunch. Quite an interesting one. If you find it interesting, if you want to watch more videos like this, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon. See you in the next one.